How to connect Noise Smartwatch with Google Fit. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you just got a Noise Smartwatch and you are wondering how to sync it with Google Fit, you are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Noise Smartwatch with Google Fit. So let's get started. First, you'll need to download the Noise Fit app from the Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and make sure your smartwatch is connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Once your watch is connected, head to the device section in the app. Scroll down and look for the option that says Google Fit. Tap on Google Fit and sign in with your Google account. You'll need to give permissions for the Noise Fit app to share data with Google Fit. Once that's done, your fitness data like steps, heart rate, and workouts will sync automatically with Google Fit. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Noise Smartwatch with Google Fit. Now you can track all your fitness data in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.